Hello. Prepositions. Exercise 11th. We can see the clear water through. THROUGH. Through the clear water. फिर नेक्स्ट देखो, सेकंड है वी शुड लीव द नेचुरल रिसोर्स फॉर फ्यूचर जनरेशन. रिवर हैव बीन फ्लोइंग फॉर एजेस. Forests are essential for human life too. Saving our environment is the need of the hour. Many parts of Punjab are on the verge of becoming a desert. Many cities were developed on the bank of rivers. Man has always longed for the imaginary elixir of life. We must take steps to preserve our heritage. People should be educated about the adverse effects of globalization. Exercise 11th. US forces dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. A soldier renders selfless service to his nation. Violence is not a solution to any problem. Man must learn to love. Many animals hunt at night. I requested the commander to explain the situation of the patients. I waited for the doctor while attending the patients. While attending to the patients, he gave them medicines also. General Fitch took off his glasses after reading the telegram. The nurse was attending on the sick people. 13th. Malcolm was walking along a creek along a creek. He saw the grizzly at a distance of 20 yards. The grizzly pounced on Barb. Malcolm was standing between the grizzly and Barb. Between the grizzly and Barb. She kept slipping on the ice. Grizzly grabbed him with his hands. With his hands. She squeezed him against chest. Barb burst into tears. There was no time for fear. Barb did not give up on Malcolm. Nobody warned us against the dangers of pollution. He never thought I would be ready for the challenge. The new law prohibits us from drinking while driving. Will you wait for your turn? The teacher handed over the answer sheets to the students. Prime Minister was very keen on reforms. BMW has recalled many cars because of some technical fault. The policeman was walking on the street at night. People of India know how to welcome a guest. Swami Vivekananda influenced millions of people around the world. He was looking at the board. The haze prevented me from seeing the train. She complained of headache. I could not agree to his proposal. There is no exception to rules of traffic. Two rules of traffic. They fought till the last round. Swami's father was shocked at his behavior. At his behavior. I insist on his speaking the truth. On his speaking the truth. He was sorry for the delay. For the delay. My friend is a professor by profession. Professor by profession. Thank you.